Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Dog is Human Daily Multivitamin for your dogs. So as you can see, we have it here on their website. And if you don't know what this is, it is basically a multivitamin or supplement for your dog, so they can take it every day for them to get healthier. So as you can see, you can just give it to your dog right here. They basically shape like treats, and they promise to give you your dog itch relief or scratch proof or scratch free skin. So as you can see, they also improve heart health, skin and coat, immunity, digestion, and hip joint. So I actually found a post here on Reddit. So the Dog is Human supplement success. Has anyone had experience with the Dog is Human brand? So as you can see, this person said these didn't work for itchiness or allergies or either of my two dogs. In fact, somehow I think it was worse. I gave them for about 3 months. My dog had one dose for 3 days, had intense diarrhea ever since. So please refrain from buying this for your dog. It is better to take your dog to the vet and actually get a recommended what type of multivitamins or medicine for your dog. And please do take note if your dog has itchiness, or like rashes. These are not medicine. These are just supplements that help with that, but they are not the direct medicine or cure for the itchiness in your dog. And just like your human, just like in humans like us, supplements are not medicine. They're just there to help us with your medication and not entirely cure it. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.